Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. We have a new project in the shop, a brand new 2025 GMC Sierra. Check this thing out. It is a fully EV vehicle, so fully electric vehicle. Look at this front end. It kind of reminds me of Iron Man. If Iron Man was gray, you know, it has that kind of Iron Man feel to the front end. It just looks muscular and like futuristic. It's pretty cool. So we are doing a full audio system in this. A lot of times people are like, well, can I do anything to my EV? I have an EV car, I have an EV truck, I have an EV sports car, It just so happens we have 3 EVs in the shop right now. So 3 fully electric vehicles that we're doing all kinds of stuff to. We'll walk you through those in a minute, but just wanted to show you this one. This one's getting a full high-end system. So speakers, 2 amps, subwoofer, processor, the works. This thing's gonna sound amazing. All right, so just wanted to show you this other EV we have in the shop. This is a Porsche Taycan. So we're doing a full radar laser defense system. This is the 3rd EV in the shop. So this is a Audi e-tron GT. First of all, we did an amplifier upgrade where we swapped out the amplifier with a DSP amplifier and added a sub, all on the stock speakers. This had a Burmeister, the premium audio system. This is the highest tier, but if you like music, premium audio just doesn't cut it, right? Now, that made a huge difference and the client really loved it, but he wants more, and the factory speakers have limitations, so now it's in for a speaker upgrade. So we swapped out all the speakers, and we will show you. We made adapters and connectors for everything, so no wire was cut or spliced for any of it. The entire install can be 100% reversed. The client keeps all the original equipment. If we ever gets rid of the car, we literally unplug everything, bolt all the stock stuff back in. You'd never know we were there. So again, just to show you, that's 3 EVs that we're working on currently. So if somebody tells you that it can't be done, you shouldn't do it, this and that, it's just that they're either not comfortable with it, which is fine, or they've never done it. We've done Rivians, we've done Teslas, now the new GMC Sierras, Porsches, Audis, pretty much you name the EV and we've done it. So if you have any questions or if you're interested, please give us a text at 773-489-7469. Thanks a lot for watching.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.